Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. So today I have come up with a tutorial of these beautiful earrings which I have made in the combination of fabric and L'Oreal beads, which is looking very amazing. So I don't use fabric glue while making the fabric jewelry. So which glue I use, do watch this video till the end to know that. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it, and also press the bell icon for the further notification. And now let's get started. So the material required is any color cotton fabric, baby bond glue, cardboard, and any fabric for back finishing, L'Oreal beads, cutter, plier, cardboard and pen also, earring stud, eye pins, then kundan. I have taken triangle kundans, but you can choose any shape as teardrop or a round shape also. This Fevicol bottle to draw the rounds. So first of all, you will draw the rounds here. For the same, I am taking this cardboard and with the help of pen, I will draw this base of Fevicol bottle. So this has something like Chand Bali shape. So what I'll do is I'll take this one like head cap, and to this I'll stick it to the one edge of this circle, our main big circle, and I'll draw another small circle in this. So it is coming outside. We have to make sure that it is not going out. Rather it is staying inside of the circle. Okay, so this is our main circle. So we'll quickly cut this one. Now I am also going to cut these inner ones. So remember, this is our main circle, not the other one. Okay, so I am going to cut these small edges. In this way. So this is the main this is the dangle, and we will use this cardboard as a stud like this. We will stick them together. Now we will take fabric. So I have this pink fabrics. I'll take so as this has a curve here, I'll cut little bit over here so that we can stick it very properly. And now we'll take this baby bond glue. I'll carefully stick this. So I have attach it to one side. Make sure that everything is coming in this fabric. Now we'll take another one. Make sure that it is looking very make sure that it has a very correct finishing. Okay, so this is done. Now we will apply fabric to this. So I'm taking this small part, which will be sufficient, and I'll add this glue. Okay, we will add it carefully to another side also. So see, it has come very perfectly. Now we will do back finishing. For the same, first of all I will add eye pins here, because we have to attach these two to each other. So for the same we will use eye pins. So I am taking these small eye pins and just simply put here. And so I'll check where this is coming, and accordingly I will apply this glue here, because this has to be in sync, because we have to attach both of the eye pins together. And this, and again I will add one in the middle. Also remember, we have to add stud to this, and don't forget that at all, otherwise again we have to wait till the glue of the stud gets dry. So don't forget to stick this. Now I'm taking this satin, which I'm not be using for front finishing, because this has a design over here. So now I'll apply sufficient glue to this. Make sure to add ample amount of glue, because this is the main finishing that we are doing. And stick this fabric properly, and we'll keep this aside for 5 to 10 minutes for drying, and then we'll start our other work. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes to dry this glue. So we'll wait till that, and then we will start again. So the glue has dried up properly, guys, and now I'll cut them quickly. So I have cut the extra fabric of both of these base. Now we will add this L'Oreal beads in this using needle and thread. So I have taken a pink color thread only, so that it will match with our fabric base. So I will start from downside. I'll first close this one. Okay, and I'm going to add 5 Okay, so I have added 5 L'Oreal beads, and I'll leave some space here and again remove this needle. So you can see we have added a bunch of L'Oreal beads. So similarly we have to do it for all, so I'll do that in a fast forward way. Okay guys, so I have added L'Oreals to this, and see, it is looking very pretty. So similarly we will attach L'Oreals to this middle eye pin of our stud. So I am opening this and I'll add 5 L'Oreal beads. And close it properly. Okay, now we will add this rectangular kundans to both of these. So I'll add glue to first half of this, and remember to keep any side of a triangle up to outside of the circle, and not the edge, not the cones, to have a proper look and to form a correct circle. So see the sequence, the way I am doing this. In the same way we have to complete for the whole circle, so I'll do that. Now I apply to other half circle. This glue dries up very quickly, so to avoid that I'm going slowly. Okay, so we have formed a circle. See, it is looking so pretty and it is shining a lot. I'm just loving this design. Now we will quickly add to this side, to this remaining side of our chand bali. So I'm adding glue here. And also here also I will make sure that this side of the circle triangle is coming to outside area and the cones are remaining inside. So we'll place the rectangles, place the triangles accordingly, and do it very carefully and slowly. And also if you want, you can use circular kundans or teardrop kundans or any shape kundans can be found in various forms in the market, so it's all up to you. See, these done and it's looking so pretty. So we have added, and our you can say 99% of the work is done. So now we will just simply wait for 5 to 10 minutes to get it dry, and then we will attach to both of them. So guys, this has dried up and you can see the shining it has. I'm just loving it. Now we'll simply attach both of them together. So I'll open the eye pin of any one and we'll see, we'll insert it and again close it properly. Do it very carefully. And now we will add this one. I'm going to open this one because it is opened at outside part, and we'll insert it here. And ta-da! With this, our beautiful earrings are ready. And I'll have another earring ready now. So these are our another earrings. Don't you think they are so gorgeous? I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, please go ahead and like it. Share it with your like-minded friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. You can also put your valuable comments in the comment box and let me know what would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.